Birds, one of the most diverse and fascinating groups of creatures on Earth. But have you ever wondered where they came from and how they evolved into the species we see today? Let's take a brief journey through the history of birds. Birds didn't just appear out of nowhere. In fact, their story begins millions of years ago. Birds were transformed from the dinosaurs, which were two-legged carnivores, and among them were the ancestors of modern birds. As the dinosaurs went extinct, birds were left to fill ecological niches left behind. Over time, birds continued to evolve. Their wings, lightweight skeletons, and efficient respiratory systems gave them the ability to soar through the skies. The dinosaurs adapted to various environments, from forests to deserts, to even the oceans, giving rise to the 10,000 species of birds that we know today. Then the birds adjusted themselves with the atmosphere and sustained in our ecosystem. Birds are living reminders of the ancient world, with their wings carrying the legacy of the dinosaurs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature stories.